So this is the connector. The entire roof is framed in, just waiting for the sheets to cover it up, so we'll have an actual roof. So that connects all the way over here to the opening here as well. Those two parts right there and right here that you see, those are the decks, one for each master bedroom. Very high, we're up very high here. So then again, a little bit difficult to see, but second floor is an open floor plan. Third floor, once again. And then still not the safest, but steps. This room is framed in. The first floor is not going to be all open. This room is not going to be the kitchen. All the tiles arrived. They gave me the wrong ones, but it's a better quality, so I'm just going to keep it. Bathroom still stays the same, which could be in this area. The banisters are being built. So this is the exterior deck. The banisters are going to be painted. But as you can see, they go all the way out over there. And then this walkway right here with the steps will be the main entry. So you can see all the banisters the whole way through. And it definitely feels a lot bigger now. Way bigger now that it's enclosed. Feels way safer as well. So you can see it all coming together.